What's up, guys? This is Johnny from Gold Guru. I'm going on my morning walk. I love to walk, pray a little bit, think about how grateful I am of everything that I have in life, all the knowledge that I have acquired, all the mentors that I have learned from, and all the friends that I have made. I want to tell you a little story. Sorry, I don't want to get killed by the cars, but a story called I heard there was a recession and I decided not to participate in it. Okay, again, there was a recession, but this guy did not decide to participate in it. Like most people, they get depressed, they become sad, they become negative, and then that's what depression is. Everybody feels depressed, economy goes down, right? But this guy who was worked for Lexus, and he was a car dealer. He would sell cars, nice cars. So what happens in depression? Sales go down, right? So normal people would do what? Keep doing the more advertisements, more newspaper ads, more TV ads, whatever. This guy did it totally different. Totally different. You know what he did? He took a fleet of cars all the way where the rich people live. Okay? To the marinas, to the golf courses. Nice, beautiful Lexus. So what he will do is he will let him drive the car. Just go, take it for a day, whatever. So what do you think those people would do? After they were driving a normal car and then they will drive this awesome, nice new car, what do you think they will do? You think they want to take it back? No way, right? There's no way. So, as a result, the guy sold more cars during recession. So what am I trying to tell you with this story? If you're gonna do what everybody else is doing, you're gonna get the same results of everybody else. Look at the people who are extremely successful. They are doing something different. They're positioning themselves in a different way. Okay? And you can do that too. By, number one, give value to people. Number two, help people. And then you will get what you want. Like Zig Ziglar says, right? Help people get what they want, you get what you want. So guys, if you want advice on how to find unlimited amount of people, not unlimited, a lot of people asking you what you do, I'll help you make money. You got my link below, put your information there, and I'll definitely help you. If you don't need help, still watch my videos. I'll try to motivate you every day. This is Wednesday Motivation. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.